Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sapna and sorry for the noise. There is some drill work happening in one of the floors, so you can't hear me clearly. I'm sorry for that, but I'll try to be loud. So guys, आज की वीडियो बहुत different है. It's related to home decor only, but I have got this really cute shelves installed just above my husband's workstation. So ये दीवार बहुत blank सी लगती थी मुझे, so I thought I'll get this installed. I got this off Amazon. I will leave a description. I'll leave a link, buying link in the description box. Really sorry for the noises. I was waiting for them to finish, but they are still on. So sorry guys. यहाँ पे काम चलता रहता है, किसी के फ्लैट का काम चल रहा है, so the noise is there. So anyhow, I got this installed. I'll show you a before and after everything. So I got the carpenter and he just fixed it for me. It was very easy. And now I'm going to style up this space using whatever I have at home, nothing new, and we'll jazz up this entire study space. So let's start. Okay friends, so these are the shelves. Now these vertical pieces that you see, they have been fixed into the wall with the help of nails. So you can see it was a pretty sturdy piece. It's made of wood, of course, and these are the detachable shelves. The grooves that are given on the vertical pieces, they are, I mean, you can just put these detachable shelves in any of the grooves. You can keep moving them around. You can create your own space, your own gap, and then you can decorate according to your taste and preference. So that's something which is really nice, and that's how I have done it. Now let's start with the decor. So in one of the columns I'm placing a few books and this little box. This is just a box which I got off Chumbak. It's very colorful and quirky, so I really like it. So now for the next shelf I'm placing these two really cute planters, and I've also placed a snake plant in the bigger planter. Since it's black and white, I think it goes really well with yellow, so that's why I chose these two colors, and also has a nice look to it. Then I also have a bigger size box, again from Chumbak, again colorful and quirky, so that goes on the top shelf like so. Then I'm placing a Buddha and a little pot. That little white pot that you see is actually a diffuser pot or container. I don't have the reeds right now. I have ordered them, so I'll use the reeds and put some diffuser oil or liquid and then use it. And also one more snake plant on that shelf. Now coming on to the study table, I am placing a wooden tray so that everything that I am placing on the table is on the tray. It's very organized, and the rest of the table is free for my husband to use for his work, so that the functionality factor is taken care of. So I placed a yellow glassware with some white flowers, then this glass that you see, stationery items so that it's handy, and a wooden coaster. So this is how the arrangement is, and I'm also placing a mug which is gray and white going with the theme. So just try to keep everything synchronized in terms of colors and look. In goes the chair. And on this side, which is right next to the study table, I am placing a plant, a basket with some yellow flowers, and a poofy. I have shared everything about the items, this furniture and everything in other videos. Do check them out. So this was a before of this space, which was a little dull, not very interesting, and now this is the after, which is quite peppy and colorful and functional as well. So this is how it is. Guys, I have made a small change. That little mat that you saw that side, I've just placed it this side. I just thought it's looking better, and this is the final look. Looks nice, looks a little more peppy and bright. Otherwise that space was looking pretty blank. I think it's looking nice now. Hope you guys like this little study slash workstation makeover. I will be leaving the buying link of this shelf in the description box, so do check it out. And I got a yellow color. They had more color options, but I just felt that yellow will look brighter and better, and also goes with the yellow on my curtains and the yellow blind and the yellow in the chair. So that's how I have schemed it all, but you can surely take a color of your choice. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Show it a big thumbs up, share, subscribe, leave your comments, and I'll see you guys soon next time. Ta-ta.